I'm the amateur logician. Let's think about immediate inference. And one type of immediate inference just deals with logical equivalencies. And this is an important topic to master in traditional logic. First, we have simple conversion. We can use the mnemonic I and E in the word simple to remember that this validly only works with I type of propositions and E type of propositions. Here we just flip the subject and predicate. We go from some SRP to some PRS. We go from no SRP to no PRS. For example, some triangles have a right angle is logically equivalent to the proposition, some things that have a right angle are triangles. So we just flip the subject and predicate. This validly only works with affirmative particular propositions and negative universal propositions. Consider, for example, no circles are squares is logically equivalent to no squares are circles. That's the E type of proposition, SEP to PES. Next, we have aversion. And aversion validly works with all four categorical propositions. We negate the predicate. All we have to do is change the quality from A to E, from I to O, from E to A, from O to I. For example, all men are mortal. The universal affirmative proposition is logically equivalent to no men are immortal. We negated the predicate mortal to immortal, or in other words, non-mortal. Next, we have contraposition, and we can remember this with the mnemonic O and A in the very word contraposition. In contraposition, we flip the subject and predicate and negate both of them. But this only validly works with the negative particular proposition and the universal affirmative proposition. For example, all stars are hot is logically equivalent to the proposition, all non-hot things are non-stars. Note that the subject and predicate have been flipped and negated. I'm the amateur logician from amateurlogician.com. You can read my extensive tutorial on traditional verbal style logic, including an entry on immediate inference. Until next time, be well and good luck to you.